Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue à Ludo à la maison. Today I have Luca who's going to help me today. We are going to do an almond cake with apricot. Actually it's more like a financier. Financier, it's almond based cake with brown butter or regular butter. But it's very buttery and a lot of flavor of almond. It's very crispy outside and very gooey inside. It's an easy, simple cake, but it's just so good. Are you going to separate the eggs now?
You want me to break them?
Can you do it or no?
Ouais.
Ouais? Okay, you know to do it? You good? Bon, ok, on y va. So use the better way, I'll show you a better easy way. Okay, easy way to do now for kids. So crack all the eggs here, crack all the eggs here.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do, so I know what you're doing. Just carry the eggs.
Okay, so now how we do?
You just take it.
Yeah, that's what. So look what he's doing. Crack all the eggs together in the bowl, and after just sip. I know.
Just the
Voilà,
egg yolk.
yeah. It's a more easy way like that, huh, Luca?
It's easier, way easier.
More fun too, no?
Way more fun than doing the
I know. You know, maybe this. You never see the movies Ghostbusters?
Ghostbusters?
Yeah, you see these movies?
I think we did.
In the beginning of the movies, you have this slam ghost, and they're so slammy like that in the library, like the little one like, who's flying, very slammy. Egg white make me think about that. Voilà, good job, Luca. We have our egg white. So now you're going to put a lot of butter. I want to take some.
And spread them out in there.
So I want to give a massage
Massage.
everywhere in the bowl, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to, guys, also, today we're going to put a little bit of fruit inside. We're going
Yay.
to add some apricot. Because
Apricot.
Luca loves fruit, so we're going to put some fruit, okay, Luca? Okay, so Luca, you butter that very well, thank you. You like butter, no?
No.
You like butter?
I don't eat it, it just tastes like cows. It tastes
Yeah,
like
come.
steak.
Just like,
There's milk in it.
huh?
Cows. So it tastes like steak. Hey, I'm gonna cut the peaches
Yeah,
now.
cut the peach, vas-y, comme ça, hop, 4 pieces, let's go. Voilà, bon, we're going to butter very well the mold, because Luca forgot to put the butter
On the sides.
on the side, so Papa's going to do it. Okay, so Luca, you're going to put the apricot in the mold now.
Until it's full.
No, just now put like 6. You can put 6. In the meantime, we're going to do the cake dough. So, almond flour here, powder sugar,
Powdered sugar looks like flour because they're exactly the same, but this one's
sugar.
sugary.
Voilà, thank you, Luca. All-purpose flour. Pinch of salt. Up. And now we're going to mix that slowly with our mixer. We're going to mix the flour and the sugar, Luca.
On a low
And the
speed,
low speed, okay.
not a high speed, or it's gonna go
Huh?
this again.
Now we're going to add our egg white, slowly. Très bien. Very good. So we mix very well.
So right now we're just making the batter. We're not making the cake because you have to put it in an oven.
Well, you're right.
The cake comes at the end because first you have to cook it, or it's nothing, it's just dough.
Very well, Luca. And now I'm going to add slowly the butter, okay?
Okay, I'm getting the butter.
A little touch of butter.
This looks like lemon juice. No, it actually looks like
Yeah, vas-y.
orange juice.
Slowly. Vas-y, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Good job. See the butter now? See, not liquid anymore, you see? It becomes like a real dough, like a cake dough.
Going fast?
Now we're good.
We have to taste it.
Huh? Oh, that's what you like? Put your finger like that?
We just have to do that because we can do a mistake on it. Oh, it smells like almonds.
Yeah, it tastes like almond, that's what we want. Now I'm going to pour the butter in our mold. I think you can do like 2 or 3.
I think, yeah, we have enough. Almond milk
So you know,
is
Papa,
better than
when I
milk.
was a kid, Luca, quand j'étais un bébé, quand j'étais un petit garçon comme toi, j'en mangeais ça tous les jours à l'école. Okay.
He said he eats this every day
Day.
at his house
Yeah, when I was a kid.
when he was a kid for
Ouais.
snacks.
For snack, after school. My grandma actually was buy me one at least 2 times a week after school. So it's a lot of memory for me. Do you want to put some more on top or what?
But if
Let's
we
go try
put-
one with Tom on top. Like
Let's-
that. Drop it like that. Poof,
Boing,
poof,
boing,
poof.
boing.
Yeah, you're gonna pass to me the mold and we're gonna put in the oven. It's important, you know, to tell story to your kids with cooking, and that's what I do with Luca sometimes. I hope he's going to like it like me, but who knows with Luca. Just take one by one. One by one.
Okay.
Okay, you pass me, okay? We'll put over there. 450 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, okay, Luca? On y va. No, but it's good. It's good to pass some memory to the kids and teach them a little bit about your life before when you were a kid. So I hope Luca is not going to forget the almond cake from Papa. Make sure the cake is cooked inside. The cake is cooked, Luca.
Okay, I'm going to take one out.
Yeah, I'll do it, no? No, how do
think-
you do that? I'll show you how we do.
You think you're the main chef?
Yes, I am. Sure, the
Oh,
main
you're
chef.
not the main chef.
He was still so passionate about cooking. That's Luca. He's going to wake up the morning and do his own breakfast. Sometimes I don't need to cook. He's cooking for the family. You know, it's not a 3-star Michelin meal, of course, but he can cook some little piece of chicken, cook some little bit of vegetable, and figure out how to do a meal. He really loves to cook because the kids love to eat. Good.
Okay.
We did a little
Oh
piece.
no.
Oh no, Luca.
They came off. Isn't that a nightmare? Good thing we put some on top.
We'll do some little slice like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna give one to Rev if you want to see me.
I will put some sugar. So you want very moist in the middle. This is an almond cake with apricot. Go try the cake now. It's time to try the cake.
It is the best time.
Good, huh? It's moist, huh?
Moist
do you think?
and it's
And crispy. It's crispy outside.
it's hot.
That's good cake. Bring me back a lot of memory, Luca, when I was a kid. You know, when I go to the patisserie and I buy my almond cake. I ate a lot of that when I was a kid.
I
A
can
lot.
tell you. You said that 3 times now. A lot. Three.
Ah! Karma.
That's
Making joke about me, you
you
fall
got,
down.
you got karma now for almost spitting it out.
So voilà, this is our almond cake financier.
It's called a flipping over cake. Mine just flipped over.
So the flip over almond cake. Because when I was a kid, you know, I love this cake.
The 4th time saying that.